Yeah, I can hear you. Yeah, I can hear you,
Can you just give me
Ashok.
the control now?
Yeah, I haven't. Yeah, now I got control. Yes.
Okay. Can you click on the users now? Click on users.
Yeah, users.
1 minute.
Yeah,
Select it. Enable user. Okay, wait here. Just leave
yeah,
it.
yeah,
Home branch user one is
yeah, yeah.
open a new tab. Yeah, so you can do now. So you'll
Eh,
open your
eh,
tab and click చేయండి. This may be the browser cache issue. You have to try with other browser, it will work.
ఓకే. ఒక్క నిమిషం అండి. డై డైరెక్ట్ రావట్లేదండి. I mean, when you are clicking on same page, it is not coming.
Yeah, so you have to do the right click. It will
Right.
come maybe
Mm,
because of the browser cache. You have to sign out and sign in again, then it will
okay.
come. Or you have to try with the other browser.
Yeah, yeah. I will try అండి. Yeah, ఇక్కడ మనం ఎట్లా సైన్ చేయడం? వీడియో
Secure
చూసుకోమంటారా?
security rule
సెక్యూరిటీ రోల్.
assign you can do from the video. The process is like you have to do it from the admin portal,
Yeah,
Power Platform admin portal. So what you
yeah,
can do, I will show you.
yeah.
You created the security rules already, right?
Yeah,
Environments.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
And you select which environment you're working.
The second one. Yeah,
You select this one
yeah.
and settings,
Settings. Yeah.
then product. Sorry, this
Users, huh? User
users,
permission. Yeah, and users. Last one.
business users,
Business
security.
users, huh?
1 minute. Users. Then you can give security rules from here. Select and manage security rules.
ఓకే. ఇక్కడికి వచ్చి ఇవ్వాలండి అయితే. అచ్చా, అచ్చా, అచ్చా.
Yeah, yeah,
అక్కడ ఏమి ఇవ్వలేము ఇంకా అది అంతేనా?
yeah.
ఓకే అండి. ఓకే. ఐ విల్ యాహ్! ఐల్ డూ ఇట్. థాంక్ యూ.
Okay, right. And uh,
అండ్ ఓకే. చాలా మంది జాయిన్ అయ్యారు. ఓకే. యాహ్! క్యారీ ఆన్. థాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
okay, thanks, Andy. Uh, Praveen garu, do you have any doubts?
Yes, sir. I
Yes.
will share my screen.
Yeah, please share.
యాక్చువల్లీ హెల్ప్ డెస్క్ నుంచి మెయిల్ పంపిస్తుంటే అది సిఆర్ఎం లోకి రిఫ్లెక్ట్ అవుతుంది.
Hmm.
సిఆర్ఎం లోకి రిఫ్లెక్ట్ అవుతుంది కానీ క్యూస్ లో చూపించలేదండి. ఇక సిఆర్ఎం లో ఇక్కడ చూపిస్తుంది అడ్వాన్స్ ఫైండ్ లో.
Okay.
ఎస్టర్డే కూడా చేశాను.
Can I?
సిఆర్ఎం లోకి వస్తుంది కానీ క్యూస్ లో చూపించలేదు.
Okay. Can you just give me the control? So it's not adding it to the queue. We also validated similar issue earlier also, right? మన ఇంతకుముందు
ఈ రెండు మాత్రం వచ్చినాయండి. ఈ టూ మెసేజెస్ మాత్రం వచ్చినాయి, మిగతా ఏమి రావట్లేదు.
these are the incoming or outgoing?
ఇన్కమింగ్.
Incoming. So remaining all not coming, is it?
యా.
No, these two we added manually, if I'm not wrong. So
నో.
what you do, you select this one and add to queue manually. So you just try to validate your case creation process. So this one, why it is not auto syncing to queue? Automatic queue అనేది చేయాలి, అది రావట్లేదు కదా. So I forgot actually. I will check and come back with the solution. So for now, to validate your functionality, you add manually whatever the incoming message is coming in. Select that and add to queue. It will add to the queue. As soon as it added to the queue, your automatic case creation logic will execute. Then case will be created. So we did add it now. మనం ఇప్పుడు యాడ్ చేసాము. But it has to show actually. Add to queue. And here, help desk. We added now. So let's check. So this one is active, right? So
ఎస్.
what I will do, I will inactivate and check it once. So let us make it as inactive.
అది
If
డ్రాఫ్ట్
anything,
లో ఉండగా ఒకసారి అది వచ్చిందండి, క్యూలోకి యాడ్ అయింది డ్రాఫ్ట్ లో ఉండగా.
yeah. So what we can suspect, since it is active, if there is any issue with the logic on creation of the record, it may get failure. If there is any failures, the adding it to the queue also will get fail. So to narrow down that issue, అది మనం narrow down చేయడానికి నేను ఇది inactivate చేస్తున్నాను. డియాక్టివేట్ చేసేసి మనం చెక్ చేసామనుకోండి, సక్సెస్ఫుల్గా క్యూకి వచ్చేస్తే then we can have the confirmation the issues with the record creation rules. రికార్డ్ క్రియేషన్ రూల్లో ఇష్యూ ఉందని మనం కన్ఫర్మ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఇప్పుడు మనకు వీ డోంట్ నో ద రూట్ కాజ్. డైరెక్ట్గా క్యూ ట్రాకింగ్ అనేది ఫెయిల్ అవుతుందా, లేదు అంటే రికార్డ్ క్రియేషన్ రూల్స్ వల్ల ఫెయిల్ అవుతుంది అనేది మనకు క్లారిటీ లేదు. ఇక్కడ 2 ఛాన్సెస్ ఉంటాయి ఫెయిల్ అయ్యే ఛాన్సెస్. క్యూ ట్రాకింగ్ సమ్వేర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ మిస్సింగ్, దట్స్ రీజన్ నాట్ ఏబుల్ టు యాడ్, అలా ఉండొచ్చు. ఆ ఫెయిల్యూర్ అనేది ఆటోమేటిక్ సింక్ అయ్యే టైంలో ఫెయిల్ అవుద్ది. బట్ ఇలా మనం మాన్యువల్గా యాడ్ చేసినా రావట్లేదు కదా
యా.
యాడ్ టు క్యూ అనేది. సో ఈ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ సిచ్యువేషన్ ఎప్పుడు వస్తుంది?
ఇది ఇప్పుడు పంపించింది వచ్చిందండి, మెయిల్ ఇప్పుడే పంపించాను జస్ట్ నో ఫస్ట్ ఇది.
సో ఈ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ సిచ్యువేషన్ ఎందుకు ఎప్పుడు వస్తుంది? లైక్ ఈ ఆటో క్రియేషన్లో ఏమైనా ఇష్యూ ఉంటే సో అది ఫెయిల్ అయి ఉండొచ్చు. as soon as it is failed, మనం చేంజెస్ రివర్ట్ బ్యాక్ అవుతాయని టాపిక్ నేర్చుకున్నాం చూడండి. ఇఫ్ దెర్ ఈస్ ఎనీ ఫెయిల్యూర్, వాట్ ఎవర్
యా.
చేంజెస్ యూ ఆర్ డూయింగ్, ఇట్ విల్ రివర్ట్ బ్యాక్. సో ఆ ప్రాసెస్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ థింగ్, దెన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ గెటింగ్ రివర్టింగ్ బ్యాక్, దట్స్ ద రీజన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ యాడింగ్. మీరు మళ్ళీ ఒకటి పంపించండి, యూ సెండ్ ఇట్
ఇప్పుడు
అగైన్
స్టార్టింగ్ పంపించింది, ఇప్పుడే పంపించాను జస్ట్ నో.
ఆఫ్టర్ డియాక్టివేషన్.
యా.
ఓకే, దెన్ మనకు ఇప్పుడు కన్ఫర్మేషన్ వచ్చింది ఏదో రాంగ్ ఉంది ఈ కేస్ క్రియేషన్లోని. నథింగ్ ఈస్ రాంగ్ విత్ ద క్యూ, సంథింగ్ ఈస్ రాంగ్ విత్ దిస్ ఆటోమేటిక్ రికార్డ్ క్రియేషన్ రూల్. సో అప్పుడు మనం ఇది చూద్దాం ఎలా చేశారు. న్యూ రూల్ ఆటోమేటిక్ రిప్లై టు ఈమెయిల్ ఎస్ ఇచ్చారు, ఇది ఓకే. సో ఇక్కడ మనకు ప్రాబ్లం ఉండే ఛాన్స్ ఉంటుంది. న్యూ వ్యూ అండ్ టు recipient equals to help desk that. This one also fine. So I'm opening the Power Automate flow. Power Automate flow మీరు ఏమైనా ఎడిట్ చేశారా?
ఏం చేయలేదండి. రైట్.
You did not do any changes, right? You are
యా.
using the whatever it is created.
యా.
So let me just check, is there any चेंजेस आता है. I will go back button. So మనకు ప్రాసెస్ సెషన్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా, we can check it, right? So let me just check here. ఇక్కడ మనకు రన్స్ అనేవి ఏమీ రాలేదు. దట్ మీన్స్ ఇట్స్ నాట్ ఎగ్జిక్యూటెడ్. ఇది ఆఫ్ లో ఉంది స్టేటస్, చూసారా?
Yeah.
సో లెట్స్ టర్న్ ఆన్ వన్స్. Yeah, now we turned on. Sorry, it's turned off. Let me on. Yeah, so the automatic record creation rule is turned on now. Then what I'm doing, so this is saved as well. We go back here. Yeah, everything is fine. Let me just click save. Saved and close. Let's activate now. So ఇప్పుడు మనం యాక్టివేట్ చేద్దాం. యాక్టివేట్ చేసి చెక్ చేద్దాం.
Okay.
So advanced allow emails from unknown senders. Yes. Creating a new contact automatically managed by unknown sender. Required valid entitlement and so did you change anything else here? Only yes you changed, is it?
Yeah.
Remaining settings, did you change anything?
No, I left it as it was.
As it is, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Secret the rule does not have the conditions applicable to the record. So this is the message you have sent, but it is skipped. Why? Because whatever the rule you have added in our activity monitor, you can see is it a processing or is there any failure? So it's a failing. Check the conditions for this rule. If this is not expected behavior, contact Microsoft Dynamics CRM. So to recipient, the one you have added the condition, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, the to recipient. You no need to add that. We are not required actually. So why? Because it will process only if it is added to the queue. Queue లో మనకి ఎప్పుడు యాడ్ అవుతాయి? ఓన్లీ ఈ మెయిల్ బాక్స్ కి ఇన్కమింగ్ మెయిల్స్ వస్తేనే యాడ్ అవుతాయి కదా.
Yeah.
సో వీ నో నీడ్ టు చెక్ ద ఇన్కమింగ్, రైట్? టు రిసిపియంట్ చెక్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు కదా. సో హియర్ వాట్ వీ కెన్ చెక్ ఫ్రమ్ మన ఇంటర్నల్ ఈమెయిల్స్కి మన మెయిల్ కేస్ క్రియేట్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. ఫ్రమ్ కంటైన్స్, సో యూ కెన్ యాడ్ దట్ డొమైన్ ఆన్ microsoft.com or something, is that right?
Yeah.
మీ నేమ్ తోటి ఉన్నది యాడ్ చేసుకున్న తర్వాత, సో ఐమ్ జస్ట్ హెల్ప్ డెస్క్ కాదు, నాట్ హెల్ప్ డెస్క్, వెయిట్. See here you have
Okay.
to
Okay. Okay.
understand.
Yeah. Yeah.
You have to understand
Understood.
domain, internal domain. You know, right? What you have to provide.
Yeah. Yeah. The CRM domain.
CRM domain you have to
Yeah.
provide. Why? Because let's say you are working for a company, internally emails some other employee trying to send email to help desk. Do we need to create any case? Maybe he might have sent out by mistake. ఇంటర్నల్ గా మన కస్టమర్స్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తారు కానీ కేసు ఇంటర్నల్ గా ఎంప్లాయీస్ క్రియేట్ చేయరు కదా,
Yeah.
ఏం చేయరు కదా. So that is the reason we are ignoring. If any email is comes in from the internal domain, we are not creating the case. So this is created, saved now. So let me just click close. So what I'm doing, I'm going to activate now. Let me just click save and activate. So you make sure you send email now.
Okay.
Just send email now. Let's see.
Yeah, sent.
Let's validate now. Did you send to like help desk only, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes,
it's
the second
saved.
one. The second one.
Okay. So let's refresh here. So what we can do, we can monitor the activity. We go to the automatic record creation rules. There is activity monitor. We can check it. This is the one you have sent. The rule
Yes.
does not have any conditions applicable to the record. Check the conditions for this rule. If this is not the expected behavior, contact Microsoft Dynamics CRM. Auto keys. Let me just check the conditions now. Email from contains on Microsoft. Sorry, here does not contains, right?
Yeah. Does not contains.
Yeah. You sent out from the Gmail. Does not contains. Yeah, this is proper one. Did you understand here? Do you
Yeah.
want me to explain? You understood, right?
It doesn't allows which comes from our own domain.
Correct. Right, save now. In case save button is not showing, you have to use Control S in your system. I think I have to deactivate and do and validate. So activity monitor you can do. You can validate what's going wrong and you can check it. Email from does not contain. Yeah, it's saved. Close now and activate. Save and activate. Yeah, can you please do now?
Yeah. Send.
Okay. Let's wait for a couple of seconds.
Yeah, present.
Okay.
Yeah, success.
Yeah. So it should create a case and attach. Let's see now. Yeah. Is it created case?
Yes.
So you should receive the auto response as well. Did you receive auto response?
Yeah, just now received.
Okay, good. So you understood the mistake, right? What you have done.
Yeah.
The mistake is the rule and the condition check is the problem.
Rule. Yeah, rule.
Rule is fine. Conditions, whatever you are adding the conditions, so that is the problem. That's the reason it is not processing. And how did we narrow down? By using the activity monitor. With the help of this, we have managed to identify.
Actually, I look into the activity monitor, but I doesn't understand what exactly the reason was.
Okay. So now did you understand?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have any other doubts?
Yeah. One second. ఇది డైనమిక్ ఫెచ్ ఇది రావట్లేదండి అది.
Still not showing, yes, huh?
Yeah.
So did you install that extension, report extension?
Yeah. ఆ రిపోర్ట్ ఎక్స్టెన్షన్ చేసుకున్నాను, ఆదరింగ్ కూడా చేశాను. అది అవ్వట్లేదు.
Authoring extension also you installed, is it?
Yeah, while authoring the steps, it shows some steps are missing as it was shown in previously. The same mistake was again shown.
Yeah, did you install SQL Management Studio?
Yeah, SQL Server Management Studio. Yeah.
You also installed, is it?
Yeah.
Still not showing. Okay, so what you do, you try to connect during the weekend. So I will help you out tomorrow, Saturday or Sunday. Just ping me. So I will help in your system.
On which time?
I will ping you in WhatsApp. మీరు ఒకసారి నాకు వాట్సాప్లో పింగ్ చేయండి సాటర్డే.
Okay, okay.
So I will let you know.
Sure. Sure.
Any other doubts?
At present, yeah, only.
Okay, fine.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Ramya, let's start with you.
Actually, I have a doubt. 1 minute. How can I mean, I wanted to see the UA. 1 minute.
Yes, let me know. What is your doubt now?
Yeah, actually, if I click on this thing, SSC mark list, this is based on our business rules. I have a doubt. Here, okay, now it is not showing the result. Previously, before this call, what I have observed means even if I am trying to enter the less marks also,
Hmm.
it is showing us a B grade only. It should be showing us a F based on my
Okay.
what I have configured. So that's why I had. Okay, 1 minute.
So this one you created new entities, eh?
No, no,
SSC marks
no.
list
Normal
business.
thing only. Just the business rule I have just prepared in that one. No, no grade only. It's not showing actually.
Okay. Wait. Second and secure percentage, it is showing as 10%, and total secured marks 60%, and the total marks. Only grade is not working. For grade implementation, you have used the business process, business rule, is it?
Yeah.
Can you just open that business rule?
Mm. Yes.
Okay. You copy this one, text,
Okay.
just double click, it will select all of them. Yeah, right click and copy.
Copy. I think it's copied the link.
Open the notepad. Wait.
Sorry, it copied the link actually.
Just leave it. I will take control. You leave the control, I will take it.
Yeah.
Yeah, if secured percentage greater than or equals to 70, then set grade to A. Else if secured percentage less than 70 and secured percentage greater than or equals to 50. Else if secured percentage greater than or equals to 35 and secured percentage less than 50, set C. Else if secured percentage less than 34, set result to fail. రిజల్ట్ సెట్ చేస్తున్నారు కానీ గ్రేడ్ సెట్ చేయట్లేదు కదా, యూఆర్ నాట్ సెట్టింగ్ గ్రేడ్, రైట్? యూఆర్ సెట్టింగ్ రిజల్ట్ హియర్.
Okay, here I'm telling us if here at okay, I understood this point. The problem is here if secure percentage doesn't contain the data. Okay, the grade it's not showing. Maybe that's why. Okay, got it. Okay, this is not the case actually before I was joining this call. It was showing for whatever the data I have entered, it was showing default it's a B grade. I have checked multiple times this particular scenario by copying in Notepad.
Did you copy in Notepad and validate it, is that?
Yeah, like this
So
only I did.
what you have to do, you have to do the force refresh and validate. We do have the troubleshoot steps. You have to follow that.
Yeah, I did it a forced refresh only, but I'm not sure why it is showing now only as proper.
You understood your mistake, right?
Yes, I
Okay.
got it.
The thing is, so which task you're doing here? What is the task ID?
Currently, I completed this till business rules I have completed.
1 minute, 1 minute.
Mm.
The one which you have implemented right now regarding the grade. Which one that is? What is the ID?
That one maybe 1 minute. I need to check this here. Here, this. No, not this one. 1 minute. I think
Check
this
the
one.
concept business rule.
No, this is a calculated fields.
Business rule topic, you check it.
Business rules.
Yeah, keys and business
Yeah,
rules.
this.
Yeah. This one is
Yeah,
scroll up. Yeah. Okay. Uh, okay, this one, third one.
yeah,
Okay. So now you understood your mistake, right?
yeah.
Okay, Ramya. Any other doubts?
Mm, I mean, I have one doubt. I'll ask at last because I need to still work on that. I'm not
Okay.
really. I'll ask end of this call.
Okay, fine. Ashwin, do you have any doubts?
Sir, good evening.
Good evening, Ashwin.
Sir, I have created a workflow to auto-populate total medicine cost in patient bills on record creation of patient medicine bills. But the
Hmm.
work I have created is not working properly.
Can you just share your screen?
Yeah, sure. I tried to figure it out, but I couldn't.
Okay, let's validate. So we
This is the thing.
okay. Just give me the control.
Yeah.
We check the assignments requirement first. What is the requirement ID?
Mhm.
This one is
Yeah, fifth one.
auto
Auto call.
total medicine cost. Requirement, are you clear about the requirement? Requirement
Yes, sir.
clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So now we will open the workflow. Can you open the workflow?
Mhm.
Can you just help to open the
Sir, I
workflow?
have given control.
Yes.
Yeah.
This one is a
Yes, sir.
you're triggering it in the patient medicine bills. Okay, and you're updating the bill ID patient bills. Yeah, this thing is correct. Let me just click view properties. Total medicine cost. So what is your problem now? Is it not updating or it's incorrectly
Yes, sir.
updating?
It's not updating.
It will update, but incorrectly it will update. Total medicine cost, patient medicine bills. You're updating from the total medicine. So let me just check it from the UI. Can you validate and show me? You validate yourself how you're doing. Let me just check it.
Sir.
Yeah. This is the message you are getting, is it?
Yes, sir.
What medicine? So this field, how you are populating the total medicine cost, is it a calculated field?
Yes, sir. I have created a calculated field like price per unit into purchased quantity.
Okay, this one is a calculated field.
Yes, sir.
Did we mention to implement this one as a calculated field in our assignment?
No, sir. On doubt session, when I discussed with some other person, he
Yeah, they
guided
will.
me to do like
Yeah,
that.
they will come back, right? They come back? You have to check with me during the session. Did they
Sir.
mention? Did they come back? వాళ్ళు మళ్ళీ మీకు చెప్పారా? నేను వాళ్ళకి చెప్పాను ఇలా అది కాదు అలా చెప్పొద్దని. మీకు
చెప్పారు సార్. తర్వాత నేను వాళ్ళకి ఒక మెసేజ్ చేశాను. నాకు కొంచెం అర్థం కాలేదని మెసేజ్ పింక్
యా
చేశాను. బట్
సో
టైం అయిపోయింది.
you
టైం అయిపోయింది.
leave you create it as a normal field and
ఓకే.
enter the data. It will work manually.
ఓకే.
Okay. You
ఓకే.
implement by the business rule. Business rule, you can add the formula. You can see if you can add price per unit into purchase quantity. You have to get it right.
ఎస్ సార్.
So you see you can implement by using the business rule.
షూర్. ఓకే.
Since you are creating as a real-time workflow, why
ఓకే.
did you create real-time workflow? It should be background workflow only, right?
వెన్ ఐ ట్రై టు ఓకే సార్, ఫైన్.
So there are two mistakes.
I thought it has to populate immediately in patient bills.
It's not in the it's on the another entity. So there is a
Okay.
gap. The real time is also fine, no problem. The
Mm.
issue is there are two issues. The total
Mhm.
medicine cost, you create it as a
Calculated.
normal field, not a calculated. As of now,
Mm.
you created as a calculated, right? As of now, is it a calculated field?
Yes, sir. Total medicine cost is a calculated field.
You create it as a normal field
Sure.
and populate using the business rule, implement the business rule logic.
Okay.
And here you have to do the incremented by, not only the value. In
Okay.
case if I'm trying to
Yes.
purchase
Got it.
another medicine,
Yes,
it
yes,
has
got
to
it, sir.
increase.
Uh,
Use that one.
okay, fine.
Any other doubts?
Yes, sir. I
Yes.
can't understand the assignment number 59 and 60.
Okay. Yeah. So if you're not able to understand like this, you have to keep it on hold. Clarify first, everyone.
6th and 7th.
69 is it?
60 and 61.
60 and 61. This is the
6th
one,
and
right?
7th. Yes, sir. 6th one and 7th one.
Auto populate the name primary field on doctor work experience with the value doctor name plus organizational value. So let's discuss this one. In the doctor work experience entity, there is entity doctor work experience. Let me just go to the doctor work experience. So if I try to create the doctor work experience, yeah, here the name is locked, right? What is the value you're populating as of now? Here we're trying to add the work experience of the doctor. How many organizations he has worked.
Okay.
And let's say doctor is having the 10 years of experience.
Mm.
And during this 10 years, what are all the hospitals he has worked, we need to maintain. That is what we are trying to do here. Is requirement clear with this entity?
Yes, sir.
So let's say in the period of 2020 January and 23 December, he worked in the Apollo.
Okay.
And we are entering the Apollo. Here you have to enable this specialization field. Any reason you disable?
And selection of doctor specialization will come automatically, will populate automatically.
That is not the proper way. Let's say
Okay.
in the previous work experience, you may work as a junior developer.
Mm.
Upon increasing of your experience, your designation will change, right?
Yes, sir.
So let's say currently this doctor is working at Yashoda Hospitals. Yashoda Hospital
Mhm.
join అయ్యాడు.
Mm.
This is the system maintained by Yashoda Hospital. Yashoda Hospital management వాళ్ళకి మనం సెటప్ చేసి ఇచ్చాం. If
Mm.
I open the doctor record, I need to have his past experience details as well. Past experience details. That is the reason we are maintaining this entity. So what is the past experience? Let's say if doctor is having the 10 years, these 10 years, whatever the organization he is working, we need to maintain here. So
Okay.
at Yashoda Hospital, he may working as a pediatrician, but in other hospitals, is it mandatory to work as a pediatrician as well? May not be, right?
Yes,
Maybe,
sir.
may not be.
Mm.
So if experience is increasing, you may change the specialization as well. He will increase his specialization. He will move to other specialization. Like how your designation is changing based on your experience. Team lead and the senior software engineer, junior software engineer, they may have some specializations. So that's the reason you should not populate from the based on the
Yeah,
hospital
sure.
stuff.
I'll change.
Yes, ఇందాక అప్డేట్ అయింది సార్ మళ్ళా ఇప్పుడు ఏమైంది
Okay, you do the publish all, validate
ఓకే
properly. Troubleshoot steps
ఓకే
follow, Andy. Then we will check
ఓకే
it tomorrow if it's not working.
ఓకే
Okay, Vic. Thank you.